Hey everyone, welcome to today's explainer. I am so thrilled to guide you through this one because we are looking at an absolute gem of a property today. If you're a first-time homebuyer trying to break into the market, or maybe, you've got a growing family and you're hunting for that perfect move-in ready oasis, well, you're definitely going to want to pay close attention. Today, we're exploring a beautiful spot located at 1750 West Union Hills Drive, right in Phoenix, Arizona. Right off the bat, I want to frame our whole walkthrough around this one quote straight from the listing. More than just a place to live, it offers a place to truly belong. When we look at real estate, it's just so easy to get completely bogged down in the square footage or the price per square foot and the lot sizes. And hey, we're absolutely going to get into those numbers. But keep this emotional core in mind. This explainer isn't just about finding four walls and a roof. It's really about finding a space for connection, for stability, and for creating those lasting memories with the people you care about most. Okay, so here's our roadmap for the tour today. First up, welcome to Deer Valley. 2, inside the living spaces. 3, crucial move-in upgrades. 4, community and lifestyle. And finally, number 5, breaking down the numbers. All right, let's jump right into part 1. Welcome to Deer Valley. Let's start things off right at the curb, because, well, establishing that exterior charm really sets the tone for the whole property. Talk about striking curb appeal. It's got this classic, timeless Arizona vibe. Notice the really well-maintained, freshly painted stucco exterior. And right above that, you've got a highly durable tile roof. Trust me, that's a massive asset in the Phoenix climate. Down below, there's a super spacious 2-car garage. It just immediately says, hey, I'm a clean, well-cared-for home, before you even step foot inside. Moving on to section 2, inside the living spaces. Let's head inside now. The interior is really where this place shines. We're talking about a thoughtfully designed 1,547 square foot floor plan that literally maximizes every single inch of space. The open living and dining area, it flows seamlessly, and those vaulted ceilings draw your eye right up, making the whole area feel incredibly spacious, airy, and bright. It completely gets rid of that boxed-in feeling you sometimes find in homes from this era. The layout is just effortless. It naturally guides you from the front door, through the living room, and straight into the dining area and kitchen. Perfect for everyday living and for hosting, too. And speaking of the kitchen, let's get a closer look at the true heart of the home. It is generously sized and wide open, which is exactly what modern buyers are after, right? It's packed with an abundance of wooden cabinetry, so plenty of storage space, and it comes fully equipped with sleek stainless steel appliances. You can just so easily imagine pulling a stool up to that peninsula for a quick breakfast, or using all that amazing counter space to prep a big holiday meal. Stepping away from the main living areas, we've got 3 really generously sized bedrooms. The master retreat is just wonderfully bright and clean, complete with plush carpeting. And here's a detail you absolutely shouldn't overlook: those elegant plantation blinds on the windows. Not only do they look fantastic and add this great high-end touch, but they are incredibly practical for keeping out that blazing Arizona sun and keeping the room nice and cool. We also got to talk about the bathrooms here, 2.5 of them, to be exact. They're bright, exceptionally clean, and surprisingly spacious. They feature these fantastic, well-lit, large mirrors that span the wall, making the rooms feel even bigger. Plus, there's generous vanity counter space. And let's be real, you're absolutely going to appreciate that on busy weekday mornings when everyone is scrambling to get ready at the same time. Which brings us to section 3, crucial move-in upgrades. Now, let's dive into the home's hidden value. These are the things that might not immediately grab your attention, like a shiny new kitchen counter, but honestly, they are arguably way more important. When you buy a house, the scariest things are almost always the roof and the AC, especially when you're staring down an Arizona summer where the sun basically actively wants to destroy you. Well, guess what? This property comes with a brand new roof and a newly installed HVAC unit, complete with a digital thermostat. Add in the fresh paint inside and out, and you are entirely bypassing the stress of those massive, big-ticket homeowner projects. You can move in with total comfort, knowing those major systems are good to go. And adding to that list of conveniences is a highly practical bonus. There's a dedicated indoor utility room, and get this, the washer and dryer are actually included for the new owners. If you're a first-time buyer, not having to run out and instantly drop a couple grand on laundry appliances on move-in day, that's a massive financial relief. Moving right along to section 4, community and lifestyle. Let's step back outside for a second. We've seen the home itself, but hey, real estate is also about the lifestyle waiting for you just outside the front door, right? The property features a low-maintenance backyard, perfect for easy Arizona living, but it's also nestled within the safe, secure, gated entrance of Deer Valley Estates.
That gate provides this immediate sense of safety, security, and stability. It really cuts down on through traffic, which creates a much quieter, more peaceful environment for a growing family or really anyone looking for that tight-knit neighborhood feel. And right inside the community, you've got this gorgeous, relaxing pool and spa area. Let's face it, in Phoenix, having access to a pool is pretty much a necessity. But maintaining your own private pool, that can be a ton of work and money. Here, you get all the perks of lounging by the water, going for a swim, and soaking up the weather with absolute ease and zero heavy maintenance. It's also just a fantastic central hub for, connecting with your neighbors.
All right, let's get into section 5, breaking down the numbers.
Now's the time to sit down at the metaphorical kitchen table, bust out the calculators, and look at the hard data. The asking price for this move-in ready, single-family home, built in 2000 by the way, is $375,000. When you factor in all those major upgrades we just talked about, the new roof, the brand new HVAC, the fresh paint, this is a super thoughtfully priced property. It's an exceptional opportunity to get your foot in the door of a highly desirable neighborhood.
Let's walk through the specs together real quick. You're getting 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths across 1,547 square feet. That breaks down to about $242 per square foot. The lot size is a very manageable 2,860 square feet. Now get this, the Homeowners Association dues are an incredibly affordable $105 a month, and remember, that covers the gated security and the pool access. So factoring all of this in, the estimated monthly payment sits right around $2,252 a month. For a house that needs zero immediate major maintenance, that is a very compelling number for a whole lot of stability. So that brings us to our final thought for today. Are you ready to stop searching and start belonging? Think back to that emotional hook we started with. This isn't just about a $375,000 price tag or the 1,547 square feet. It's about securing a base where you can build a life and create meaningful memories without the constant looming stress of home repairs. Properties priced this thoughtfully with this level of move-in readiness inside gated communities, they literally do not sit around for long. If this speaks to you, I highly urge you to take action. Go ahead and book a viewing today for MLS number 7029138 before this incredible opportunity slips away. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer today, and hey, happy house hunting!